I'm going to be showing you our 63 feet apex. This is a beautiful yacht. It's made in Beijing. This yacht is 63 feet. Well maintained. This is the name. So we start from here. This is the stand. We move here. So when the guests are coming on board, remove their shoes here, put in this box. And here we have some setup here, good setup here for the drinks and for our guests on board. Here is the fly bridge. Let's go to the fly bridge. Here is the fly bridge, made up of good sittings. And here is a good sittings for the capacity is 26 packs to 35. And we also have another hand here, sitting area. And here we go, here, right there. Also we have a JBL on board, good JBL. Here, this is, and here we have some barbecue. Should in case you book, you can get barbecue to make your grilling here. Yeah, so now we move to the salon and the kitchen. No, first we go to the bow of the boat. Let's move to the bow. Here, this is the bow. It's a very good boat. So this is the bow. So beautiful. See the view in the harbor. So beautiful. So here is the bow. Here, look at up. It's a beautiful yacht, of course. So we move inside the salon now. Stand here. You can even picture how it looks like. It's a beautiful yacht. So let's go. Let's go inside. It's beautiful inside. So we are just preparing for a trip now. And here is the salon. Salon is here. It's beautiful, well placed. So we have here like sitting area. Here is the bow. We have some couple of drinks here, and also here is like a dining. And here is another hand. Here we have here. So beautiful. Everything is modern. This is 2025 model Apex 63. So beautiful. Yeah. Let's go down to the kitchen. Chop. Let's go. Here is a small kitchen. So small, but it's good. We have something in the microwave, and here are the cabinets. And here we have two washrooms. This is for the guest washroom. It's beautiful, actually. So beautiful. Look at it. So beautiful. This is me doing the video. Ciao. See, the mirror is beautiful as well. So make it. Shower here. So beautiful. It's normal. You can wash your face here. And here we go to the guest room. A guest room is beautiful. Have two cabinets that you can either put your clothes, should in case you're taking a long trip. You can put your things here. And we go to the master bedroom. Wow, this is beautiful. Here, and we have a sitting here. We have a lot of cabinets here. Here. There are some few things there, and also a massive washroom. This is massive, yeah. It's massive. And we also have a mirror here. Like, wow, you can get shower in case. It's so beautiful, the washroom. So we move. Wow, so beautiful. And we go to the crew room. Crew room is so messy because we put all our bags here, everything. How do we move? The guest is here?
Yeah.
Crew